Happy day, happy day. Guess what I got today? So I just got the S26, literally just dropped off from FedEx, but wait, I got two of them. So I got two of them. The reason why I got two of them is because I can't just get one without my wife getting one. So my wife and I just upgraded. Now we upgraded from the S22. The reason why I held out so long is because I actually loved the S22 little pin, what Bluetooth, and they don't do that anymore. But I got the notification or the alert saying that the S22 is no longer going to be updated after this year. So my wife and I went ahead and purchased the S26 Ultras. I think it was time to upgrade as we were going to lose the updates after this year. So like, hey, might as well just go ahead and upgrade. So again, we got two of these. And I want to just kind of show you right out of the box. I literally just got them about 2 minutes ago. So, you know, you're looking out for the delivery guy, and you make sure that you get it because they got the signatures required. And so you want to make sure that you're there to get that signature. I looked out the window and I'm like, oh crap, how long have they been there? And I barely got them right before they walked away. So right out of, it's cold. So right out of the gate, my first impressions are, that's pretty slick. Comparing the two, it's a little heavier. I'm going to guess, I mean, you're not going to see a ton of comparison videos out there with my phone up against an S22 Ultra versus an S26 Ultra. It's probably going to be 25, but I'm going to just do this anyways. Right out of the gate, about the same weight. Obviously, you're going to have much better processing power on the S26 than you do pretty much any other phone that's out there on the Ultra. I did go with the Ultra. Because I wanted that 16 gigs of RAM extra. The other thing I'm super excited about is the wireless charging, because I do a lot of wireless charging, and how the faster speeds now are for the S26. You can get faster wireless charging. Also, I upgraded to 1 terabyte storage. My wife really needed that storage because she never ever deletes her food pics. She just has them on there like, I don't know, forever. For like 20 years she has them on there. Let's see how fast it loads up. So this is really cool. So I'm just transferring all my data with this USB-C cable right here. This is the first time I've done it, kind of geeking out at how easy this is. I mean, it's my old phone to my new phone, 100%, and it says everything, just calls, contact messages. We're going to do everything. So it's going to take a little while. Tells me it's going to take about 1 hour and 33 minutes, but I'm okay with that. So I don't have to download everything. I mean, that's really slick. One of the things that everybody is talking about is this privacy screen. So I'm just pulling it down from the settings here, and I'm going to take a look and see how cool is this privacy screen, if I can find it. So really quick, it's all the way down at the bottom in privacy display. And you can turn privacy on. You can set conditions for turning it on. So that's pretty cool. So for app specific, and you can do maximum privacy. So I'm going to turn it on right now, maximum privacy protection, and we're going to see. Oh, wow. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but you can see my screen there, and you can't. I can't see it. I can see it now. Can't see it. You can see it. Can't see it. That's super cool. I mean, I'm probably, being on the road full time. I mean, that's really cool if I'm going to be in the theater. Oh, you don't have your phone on in the theater? You can have your phone on in the theater? That's probably not cool, but don't be that guy. You can be that guy now, and nobody will know. Nobody will know if you're going to be that guy. So watching movies with the privacy, and if you got to sneak away to take that text, nobody's going to care. Don't be that guy. But anyways, this is super cool. I'm really impressed with it. So this is my S22, just kind of scrolling through. This is that's pretty snappy. Hearthstone. Open these up. I'm probably going to require an update. Okay. That's pretty cool. Update, update. Let's see if it's faster. That is super fast. It's already installing, is ready to play. This is still verifying. Do, 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 do. This one is for S26. My ups are about the same, almost half. So, all right, guys, here's the final, not the final, but I'm going to play around with it for a few days. I kind of geek out on new technology. This is the feel in the hand, 100% better on the S26. Now, I am upgrading from a S22. So if you are in my case where you're kind of an older phone, I would say it's definitely worth the upgrade. Step up into the new technology. I'll come back and maybe do some pictures and some reviews of some video, film a couple videos with the S26, see how that works, how it looks, how that works with all of my stuff as I play around with it for a few days. But just right out of the box, wanted to give you an easy unboxing, getting set up. So how easy is that? 30 minutes setup, you're on the road, you're ready to go. Guys, welcome to the future. I mean, that's amazing. So if you're looking at getting the S26 and wanting to upgrade, from what I can see, for me, it was worth it.